The "Oops, wrong seat" code error is one of the most common issues Mint Mobile users encounter during account verification and login processes. An ACT code, or account code token, is a temporary verification code sent via SMS or email to authenticate your identity. These codes are essential for maintaining account security. This error typically occurs in 5 main scenarios: when activating new SIM cards, logging into your account, completing two-factor authentication, porting numbers from other carriers, or accessing account management features. The error occurs for several reasons. Codes expire within 5 to 10 minutes, users make typing mistakes, network congestion causes delivery delays, system synchronization issues create timing mismatches, or users request multiple codes before previous ones expire. Understanding the time-sensitive nature of ACT codes is crucial. Codes expire within 5 to 10 minutes, so you should enter them within 2 to 3 minutes of receipt. Wait 10 to 15 minutes between requests and always clear the input field before trying again. When facing the ACT code error, start with these immediate app troubleshooting steps. Force close the Mint Mobile app completely, then reopen it to refresh the connection. Next, clear the app's cache and data. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, find Mint Mobile, and clear storage. On iPhone, offload the app from Settings. For iPhone users, you can also manage app storage through the iPhone storage settings. This helps free up space and refresh the app's data. Network connectivity issues often cause AC code problems. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to find the most stable connection. Check your SIM card installation. Ensure it's properly inserted and recognized by your device. A loose or damaged SIM card can cause authentication failures. Try alternative verification methods. Request the ACT code via email instead of SMS, and always check your spam or junk folders for the verification email. If problems persist after trying these solutions, contact Mint Mobile support. They offer live chat, social media support on Twitter, community forums, and phone support for urgent issues. Prevention is key to avoiding future ACT code errors. Keep your contact information updated, maintain strong network connections during setup, and complete activations during off-peak hours when network traffic is lower. Following these troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies will resolve most ACT code errors and help you avoid them in the future. Remember to be patient and try multiple solutions systematically.